Alright, this is the blood typing experiment that we did in class. Now, I've just brought a couple of them out so that we can talk about the agglutination. Alright, so let's start in this upper corner. Alright, so remember, each tray is full of antiserum. Antiserum is not blood. Antiserum contains antibodies. So in this well, I had anti-A serum, which would have had A antibodies, meaning that they would then attack the A antigen. This well is full of anti-B serum, which has B antibodies and would then attack the B antigen. This has anti-RH serum in it, which then makes RH antibodies, which will attack the RH antigen, if there. Now, once I had my well set up, I then took my patient's blood and dropped 2 drops into each well and saw a reaction or no reaction. If we look back at our same plate, here in our anti-A serum, we can clearly see that the blood has agglutinated, which is what you're seeing, all these little tiny dots. Now the color is irrelevant. It could have been pink, it could have been orange. What you're looking for is the clumping of the cells. So that means that this had to have at least the A antigen. Now, do I know my blood type yet? No. I only know that I have the A antigen. Now I have to go to the anti-B serum. Nothing happened when I put my patient's blood in here. So, since this contains B antibodies that will attack the B antigen, and it clearly did not attack it, then I do not have the B antigen, which means that I have group A blood. Now, to find if I'm positive or negative, I go to the RH. Again, I can see the agglutination or clumping, which indicates that the RH antibodies attacked the RH antigen, which means that this patient is A positive. Now, if we move over to the next sample, in this, we use the same basic principles. We use the anti-serum and then drop the patient's blood in. If we look in our anti-A well, we see no agglutination, which then indicates that there is no A antigen. If we move to the B, again, the anti-serum B shows no agglutination with the blood, thus there is no B antigen. That means that this patient has blood group O. When we go to the RH to determine if they're positive or negative, we again see no agglutination, there is no clumping, so that would indicate that there is no RH antigen. So this patient would be O negative. If we go down to the bottom tray, we can see in our anti-A serum that there is no agglutination, no clumping. So we do not have the A antigen. When we go down to the B well, we can see that there has been some agglutination or clumping. So that indicates that we do have the B antigen. So this patient would have the blood group B. When we go to determine positive or negative, we go to the RH, and we can see no agglutination or clumping. So this indicates no RH antigen. This patient would be B negative.